Hey everybody, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and today I'm going to go through an Etsy shop critique. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos, so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And if this is your first time here, I go through these Etsy shop critiques every now and again, where I go through branding, aesthetic, listings, and titles and tags and description, so that way I can help people drive traffic to their store to hopefully increase sales and that elusive conversion rate. And if you haven't already, go ahead and join up on the Facebook group, where we're creating a community of like-minded individuals who are looking to grow their semi-passive income with digital downloads. I'm going to head on over to my computer screen and we'll get started. So today we are going to be looking at PositiveFocusDesigns, and this is digital and printable planners, journals, and stickers. And Helen has been on Etsy since 2019. She has had 31 sales and really great reviews, obviously, with 5 stars here. I love her banner. This is really showcasing what she has to offer. She does have her logo here, and then explains what she has. So this is really great. Her logo looks fantastic. She only has 4 items in her shop, but she does have them, digital notebooks, digital planners, and iPad word search puzzles. So I think that's a really unique thing to offer, especially with kids and technology, and the amount of stuff that they use. I think this is a really cool idea. And I think the digital planners is definitely something a lot of people are using, and it's a great niche to get into, where you can make a good amount of money creating one thing and people purchasing over and over, especially if your planner is not dated. Okay, so looking here, your mock-ups are really fantastic. It really is explaining what you have. And again, you have 4 things available. 13 people have this in their cart. It looks like it's at a good price point. We're going to take a look at this listing today, and we're also going to take a look at this listing because obviously you have this higher price point here, so I'm curious about that. But I do think that the price points are good. You do have 5-star reviews here, and this is people showing, what this all looks like. And has all really, really good feedback. You do have your shop members filled out here, and you do have your policies filled out and your frequently asked questions. So that's great. You have all of your shop sections filled out. Okay. Curious to know how long these things take you to create, and if you plan on putting more content in, because I really do think once you get some more stuff up, Helen, you're going to do very, very well, especially with the 31 sales that you have already. And I'm seeing now that you are from Ireland, so that's fantastic as well. That explains why the prices look so funny, because you use a different currency over there. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started here. This first one is a digital notebook with stickers, 6 sections, fully hyperlinked PDF, over 1,100 bonus stickers, instant download for GoodNotes, Note Shelf, Zoto, etc. 10 templates included, 4 beautiful covers to choose from, and it's a golden oasis design. And in your promo images, you go through everything. Gosh, this is beautiful. Yeah, this is really nice. So you have different types of paper that people can use, monthly habit tracker, different types of writing paper, how you can decorate your notebook, adding the stickers and whatnot, pick your favorite cover out of the 4, import stickers that you regularly use, and then just like how that all looks. And then it's a PDF digital download with hyperlinks for use in note-making apps like GoodNotes, Note Shelf, Zoto, Metamoji, etc. for iPad and Android, so it's not just for one thing. Wow, okay. So I think this is a really, 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 really great niche to get into. I'm just going to let me see if I have my incognito window open still. I do. So let me go and check and see if I said GoodNotes Digital Planner. Let me see how many pop up. Oh gosh, 116,000 results for GoodNotes Digital Planner. It's a lot. And the price points are ridiculously high for these. Not like super crazy high, but they're pretty up there. It looks like this is something that a lot of people are creating, but it's something that if you go to undated, you have 14,000 results. So if you're doing undated planners, you may have better luck here. I do think that this is kind of an untapped market, especially if you're doing like really phenom work, and you can really, really, really get some unique stuff out there. especially if you're going with the trend. So keep it up, right? I think this is really cool. This isn't something that I've seen before. So looking at your title, digital notebook for iPad and Android, matching stickers, tab notebook, bullet journal, habit tracker, list for good notes, etc. Get rid of the etc. I think digital notebook for iPad and Android is good. How would you explain this? Let me go to your promo image here. Digital notebook with stickers. Do you have a certain theme for this? I mean, there's flowers on here. It looks very floral. Even on the covers that you provide, it looks very floral. Let's see. Maybe explain your colors here. But again, it is very, 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 very floral. You have Golden Oasis tagged as something, which I'm not sure if that's somebody would search for. But the title needs just a little bit of work. A matching stickers and tab notebook, bullet journal, habit tracker, list for good notes. I mean, that just, it's just kind of like, it's written very oddly, in my opinion. So digital notebook for iPad and Android, maybe editable good notes, planner template, something along those lines. I think that will really help your title. Let's see. Go to the description. Here's useful 6-section digital notepad with 10 paper templates and matching stickers. Beautiful golden oasis design. Relaxing cord. Okay. So you explain your item here, how you can use it, what you will receive. And this is everything that you receive. Duplicate is often as you like, insert it anywhere in your notebook to extend usability. Digital download, how it works, no refunds, personal use or nonprofit use and not for reseller distribution. So your description is spot on. It explains everything that people need to know. So let's go ahead and look at the listing audit here. So it's had some views, and by some you've had over 1,000. You've had this up since August of 2020, so for having 1,000 views, that's actually really good. Your visibility score is 98%. That's fantastic. It does mention that your title looks like it's written by a computer, and I don't disagree. Let's see what your tags are. All right, digital stickers, digital journal, habit tracker. Habit tracker is a good one. Has low competition. Digital notebook has a medium competition, but a good amount of searches. Digital diary, digital notepad, good notes notebook. That's a good one. Even though it doesn't have a ton of searches, it does have a little bit of competition. The click-through rate is really good. 6-subject notebook may be a waste. Digital list, Zoom notes notebook, note shelf notebook, 10 paper templates, portrait notebook. So you have one tag about good notes in here. You don't have anything about iPad notebook or Android notebook. You may want to include that. I don't think the tags are horrible. I think they're pretty good. I don't think that you need to do much work on these. Digital stickers, I'm not really sure mesh, but I guess it does. Excuse me. I think there are just a few tags that probably don't need to be in here. 10 paper templates might be a little bit of a waste. Portrait notebook might be a little bit of a waste. 6-subject notebook might be a little bit of waste. So you may want to get rid of those tags and try to insert something that's a little bit more relevant to this specific listing. And you can do that by doing a little bit of keyword research. I do have a bunch of videos on my YouTube channel about keyword research and how that works. You don't have any attributes in here, so I would definitely add in some colors, like main colors like green and gold are two of the colors that I saw. So you might want to add green and gold in there because people do filter down based on their color preferences. Your category seems fine. It says your description is long, but that's okay. And the Google preview isn't that bad. But again, once you optimize that title, it will be a little bit better there. And if you copy and paste the title and put it into the beginning of the description, it's going to show up and it'll ping on Google. So overall, I think this listing is a first good jump. Now we have this positive planner for life. This is kind of like in the similar thing. 60 pages, 4 beautiful covers to choose from. Soul of the Ocean design. You do have a video. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay, so this is kind of like a slideshow, the sample of pages. So this is really neat. This is a cute idea. I like that. And you just kind of show how you can develop positivity by using this. You have section dividers. I mean, this is totally gorgeous. Yeah, I don't know how long something like this would take you, but this looks really good. Digital positive planner for life, undated, iPad or Android, 300 matching stickers, good notes, no shelf, 11 sections, ocean design. So the title's a mess, okay? A bit messier than the last one we just looked at. And the reason why I say that is because it's kind of like all over the place. I do recommend that you change that up. So you could change it to digital positivity planner for life, undated, GoodNotes Positivity Planner, iPad or Android Positivity Planner. Something like that. I'm assuming your description is kind of the same as the last one. And it is. So I'm not going to go click through all of that. We're going to go ahead and look at this listing. Visibility score is 97%. I'm actually going to go and see if I can look up GoodNotes Positivity Planner. And we have 403 results. And yours, you're running ads. Shows up right here because you're running ads. I'm not going to click on it because then it's going to charge you for the click. You're not showing up on that first page without that advertisement. So your ads, I mean, your stuff looks better than this stuff that I'm scrolling past right now. So you show up on the first page with your ads running, but then I'm not seeing you on the first 4 pages on this incognito tag. So our incognito window. So that's interesting. Okay. Maybe because you're showing up in ads, it's not going to show up. But I mean, this is definitely looks better than all this crap I'm scrolling by. Like if I was scrolling through all this, I would click on yours for sure, 100%. All these other ones, I'm just like, meh. Okay. So we got to figure out how to get you on that first page, and I guarantee you we could do that with tags. So let's see here. We're going to sort by searches. You have gift, digital planner, digital stickers, ocean art, GoodNotes planner, habit tracker, undated planner, good notebook journal, iPad planner, life planner, positive portrait planner, finances planner. Ooh, yeah, these need some work. Gift is not something that you want to use on this. Excuse me for the yawn. Whew. Digital planner is fine. Digital stickers is okay. Ocean art doesn't really make much sense. Maybe ocean theme planner? Will that fit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It will. Ocean theme planner will probably fit. Or ocean theme something or other. Habit tracker is good. I mean, your competition is mid for that one. Undated planner is fine. Notebook journal is good. iPad planner, not too bad for that one. Life planner has a lot of competition, but not a lot of searches. Positive, you could probably get rid of. You definitely want to put something in here about positivity planner. Positivity planner, something along those lines, because it looks like that's what you're really focused on, right? And I search for, you see here, I search for digital or GoodNotes Positivity Planner, and you didn't pop up. Put Positivity Planner in one of your tags, and I guarantee that you're going to start showing up because you have GoodNotes Planner here. So if you put Positivity Planner in here and somebody's looking for Positivity Planner, you're going to show up in the top of the search results. So I would definitely remove the gift tag, put Positivity Planner in there, see what happens with this listing, okay? Overall, though, I think that what you have here, even though it's very minimal, is great. It's a niche field. It's a niche subject, especially with the digital age up and coming, like more and more people are going to be looking at stuff like this. I would keep the mock-ups as they are. Definitely need some work on your titles, a little bit of work on your tags, but not a ton. So one trick that I tell people is go into an incognito window and do some searches for things that people may be using to search for your stuff, and that's a good way to find tags. Also, if you've had these listings up for a little while, you can look at your Etsy stats, and it'll show you what people are searching for when they find your listing. I have a video on that. I'll post that up above for you using Etsy stats to increase traffic to certain listings, and hopefully your shop as well. But Helen, I think this is great effort. Definitely keep pushing along. I'd be curious to have a chat with you about like how this stuff works, because it's not something I really see much of. It's these digital planners that work and integrate with GoodNotes and whatnot. I think it's a very interesting niche to get into, and I would just like to talk about it more. So if you have any questions about anything that I went through, feel free to drop a comment in the comments box below. Reach out to me on Facebook. And if you haven't already, go ahead and join up on the Facebook group. We're creating a community of like-minded individuals who are looking to grow their semi-passive income with digital downloads. And as always, if you got something out of this video, please go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And again, like I said, if you need anything at all, don't hesitate to reach out, and I'll catch you all in the next video.